Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Sabrina binti Muhammad Jalani. My matric number 247092.
My name is Siti Rohana binti August Fauzi with matric number 247085.
Me and Hana will tell a little bit about Puncak Vista history. Puncak Vista is located in University Utara Malaysia, near to Residential Hall Maybank, which is my place for further my study in Islamic Finance and Banking in semester 2.
While me further my study in Human Resource Management in year 1 semester 2. Puncak Vista filled with growth of flora and fauna as you can see around me. Umi, I think we should continue our journey now, as the weather not so good at this hour.
It is a good idea. Worried we have to postpone our trip today.
Let's go!
Wait a minute, Hana.
What?
Did you forget something?
Forgetting something? Wait, let me think about it. I think we forget our flag there. How can I forgot about this flag? This flag is so important when we reach at Puncak Vista. Umi, do you know the function of that flag?
Of course I know. I will embed this flag at the Puncak Vista as the evidence that we have arrived at the Puncak.
What are we waiting for? Let's go, Umi.
Why are you still there? Stop talking and start working. Hurry up!
Let's go! Let's go!
Wow! So beautiful.
Hey! Wait for me! Why are you so excited? Of course I'm excited. I can't wait to see the view from the top. Alright, let's continue our journey.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
This will be a tiring day but worth it because this is my first experience hiking in University Utara Malaysia.
Wow, that's why you seem excited when you reach the top.
Of course.
But is this your first time, even you are in semester 2 in University Utara Malaysia? Seriously, Umi?
Yes, I have not experienced before because I'm too busy with my club and I have no time to explore what is the best place in University Utara Malaysia. Thanks to you, because of you, I'm here now. Ta-da! Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello! Hi!
Oh my goodness. I can see from your face, Umi. Because I never bring my friend that is very excited like you. All my friends are very similar with this kind of activities.
But me? No! That's why I'm so excited.
Can we sit here? Of course we can, but be careful.
Okay. Hana, from what I see, these places are so comfortable because we can release our tension. So we just have to come here and see the view from the top.
Yes, I agree with you, Umi. Because we can hear, sometimes I need to relax my mind and I need a quiet place to solve my problem. if another club organize this kind of
I
activity,
realized that
will you
hiking is the best
volunteer?
thing to do since I want to create a lot of memory so that my life will never get bored.
Good idea. I think he will be my first partner that I will bring when I'm going to hiking.
Sure, I will join you.
I think that's all for today. We need to go now.
Wait. Hannah, I think you are all already, but you are only 20, right?
Why are you saying like that? You are being rude.
Because you are always forget about this thing.
Oh, okay, my mistake. So, where we want to embed our flag? First, can you go down?
Oh, sorry. I think here, maybe?
Yes, there.
Okay.
Umi,
Yes.
I think we should take a selfie as a memory.
Of course.
And this will be your experience.
My first
So that
experience.
you can save this memory in your phone. So,